Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our next session. Today's session we are going to discuss about magnetic field due to solenoid. Previous session we discussed magnetic field due to circular coil. Now we are going to discuss about magnetic field due to solenoid. First we have to see what is the solenoid. Solenoid is a long wire wound in a close packed helix. Here helix means this type of coil, the coil which wound in this pattern. This is the helix. So what is the solenoid we understood. Then we are going to see the experiment. Here the materials required. Here material requires are wooden plank. This is wooden plank. This one wooden plank and white paper. We have to cover this wooden plank with white paper. With white paper we have to cover it. Then solenoid. Solenoid means this wire. And battery. Here we use the battery and switch. These are the materials required. Now we have to take the procedure. We have to see the procedure. We have to take one wooden plank and we make equidistant holes. Equidistant hole opposite to the one hole to another. Like this. Equidistant hole we have to take in this pattern and we have to send the wire, copper wire through the holes in this pattern and this is connected to the battery through switch. When we press the switch, the electric current passes through it and we can observe the magnetic field around the helix. Here, to understand that, we have to sprinkle iron fillings around the helix. Here, then we can understand around the helix, we can understand the magnetic field lines. So, the magnetic field lines set up by solenoid resemble those of a bar magnet, indicating that a solenoid behaves like a bar magnet. Here, the solenoid resembles like a bar magnet and it behaves like a bar magnet. See, bar magnet consisting dipole, north and south pole. So in the same way we can observe the north and south pole of the solenoid. See, when here we are taking the helix, means the solenoid, this is the solenoid here. This is the solenoid. Here, when electric current passes through it, here the electric current passes through it in this direction. So here we can observe that magnetic field lines here like clockwise. See, clockwise. We can get the north and south poles. Here, when electric current passes through it in this direction, the magnetic field lines above the solenoid clockwise direction, and when it moves away from the solenoid, the magnetic field lines moves like this anti-clockwise direction. And here one end of the solenoid behaves like a north pole and another end behaves like a south pole of the like bar magnet, we can observe the north and south pole of the solenoid. So here, this we can understand the magnetic field lines above the surface of the solenoid and below the surface of the solenoid. That due to the by using the right hand thumb rule. Here the direction of field due to field means magnetic field. It's due to solenoid is determined by using right hand thumb rule. By what is the right hand thumb rule? We discussed already. By using this right hand thumb rule, here we can observe the magnetic field lines above surface of the solenoid and below surface of the solenoid. So that's why we can say it behave like a bar magnet. So here we have to remember what are the materials required and what is solenoid and how it's behave. It's behave like a bar magnet. The solenoid behave like a bar magnet, and north and south poles of the bar magnet we can observe here. The two ends of the solenoid, and you have to remember here we use right hand thumb rule. So this is about the magnetic field due to solenoid. Thank you.